Look over here. Kyphosis, scoliosis, stress, and bad postures. Look over here. If your daily life includes slouching over a desk, rounding your shoulders, tilting your head, looking at the cell phone, neck pain, or lower back pain, this is for you. The Myofascial Wheel Stretch is a gentle approach that helps your body return to where it was designed to be. With slow, mindful breathing and gentle positioning, this practice can improve postures, release tight shoulders and chest. It reduces neck and back tension, encourages spinal mobility, supports stress relief, restore natural alignment patterns. The wheel supports your spine so you can safely reach the areas you normally can't. Opening the chest, lengthening the front body, decompressing the back, and rehydrating the fascia. A simple stretch helps to restore your balance, allowing you to have that flexibility, that mobilities, that movements. Gently open up every part of your joints, your fascia tissues, and your internal organs. It's only you move. What are you waiting for? Sign up on the link below, and I'll see you in class. Bye!